How are you friends? Today one more is unboxing because back to back it is unboxing today. That's why I'm telling one more. There are t-shirt this one. Too many t-shirts.